Made it into DC. I'm up here in Northwest DC. Got my Starbucks double espresso dopio. I ain't really getting no rides though. I had a couple I didn't take. Money and miles didn't math out. But I'm about to go see my daughter. She doing Rover. And this dog that she's watching is dying. She boarding the dog and is dying from cancer. That is so terrible. And she's such a dog person that she's going through it. So, you know, I'm on dad duty. You're on dad duty till you die, baby. So I'm gonna go sit with them until, or see if I get any good rides. But just to get her some support and rub the poor puppy. I feel so bad. Cancer is, ugh. Cancer, fuck cancer. I hate you, cancer. Cancer is the worst. It took so many of my relatives and my mom, dad, Toki. Toki died from cancer. Princess died from cancer. I hate cancer, sucks. The roads in DC are overall better than they were in Maryland, just overall. Now these little side roads aren't great because I'm on a side street right now. It's not great. And here comes oncoming traffic. A Tesla.
0.1 miles, turn right.
He's rolling though. Yeah, if you got yourself a little SUV out here, you want to come up. Because even vans, that minivan was moving good. But yeah, what time is it? Almost 10 o'clock. We'll give it some hours and see how it go. Especially since I'm down here. Got my coffee. So I'm good to go. Who else is out here? Anybody else out here? Where you at? You on the road? You getting any rides? Is it worth it for you? The first ride I did was like $30. So it was worth it. So we shall see. But most people are staying put in their little crib or whatever. People not moving around. It ain't many cars out here on the road at all. This SUV driving entirely too fast. He think he got a pass because he in an SUV. I am not getting into no